Hi. We are Watertown Roofing, a division of FRS Roofing plus Gutters. We're your trusted experts for new roof installation in Watertown, Massachusetts. In Watertown, Massachusetts, every homeowner understands the crucial role a strong roof and gutter system plays in the well-being of their homes. We're dedicated to enhancing your quality of life through expert roof replacement. Investing in a new roof with us brings numerous benefits that elevate your home's comfort and security. Our team ensures that your Watertown, Massachusetts home is protected from the elements all year round. With our top-notch materials and skilled professionals, your peace of mind is our priority. We understand your home's unique needs in Watertown, Massachusetts. Our team is committed to providing you with the best roofing solutions to protect your investment. Don't let an aging roof compromise your home's safety and comfort. Choose us for professional care. Your satisfaction is our mission, and we're here to exceed your expectations. To schedule a consultation, call us today at 781-957-1136, and let's discuss your roofing needs. Or visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Watertown for more information about our services. Watertown Roofing, a division of FRS Roofing plus Gutters, your local experts, ensuring the well-being and security of your Watertown home. Watertown Roofing, a division of FRS Roofing plus Gutters, elevating your quality of life, one roof at a time.